Today I've got some much needed new front fenders for my mom's minivan, and we're gonna install them. I'm just hoping I don't have to take off the front wheels, because that means I have to lift the van up again. It's always the 10 mil, I hope I don't lose it. I just realized that I started on the hard side. That was smart. Now I gotta turn the wheel so that I can actually get at the fender liners. Now I can get my screwdriver in there. Now I gotta turn it the other way so that I can get at this guy. One more clip and the fender liner should be loose. Okay, I think it's loose now. Yeah, it's loose. Nice. I think the easiest way to disconnect this screw is just gonna be poking through the rust over here. I just passed my side quest. Taking the bumper off made it a lot easier, hopefully. I think there's like one more bolt down here somewhere and then it should be off. Okay, I got the passenger side fender off. Unfortunately, the antenna is stuck. And just like that, the driver's side fender is almost off. Clear coat should be dry. Let's put this sucker back together. The paint match is actually not bad. The clear coat is a little yellowed on the rest of the van, but it looks pretty decent. It's getting a little dark out. Got this side on. Gonna put the other side on, and then the bumper, and then the fender liners, and then we'll be done. I think I'm gonna be done for tonight. Got the bumper on, but there's still a little bit left to do. Got to put the fender liners in and stuff, but I'll save that for tomorrow morning. And that's gonna do it for my first full video on the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you later.